We're going to review a fidget toy. Shall we start, James? Okay. What is this? Ah, James. What is this? Ano yan? Cube, hard cubes. What is that? Infinity cube. This is infinity cube. Paano nang laruin? Ganito siya, diba? Oh, ikaw na. Ayan. Formula siya ng ganyan. Pwede siyang rectangular. Pwede rin siyang cube, a square. Like that. Okay. Pwede rin siyang... Okay na, open your eyes. Yes! Very good. Pwede rin siyang... Ganon. Oh, see? Ganda! Okay.
Donut.
Next! Two hands like that. Oh, invert mo, invert. Flip it over. Okay, and then pop it like this. Oo, wala siyang tunog pagka dito, pero you can pop it like that. Okay, and then flip it over again, and then think. So good. Next, what is this fidget toy? Is spinner. Very good. Okay, spinner like that. Very good. Okay. Oops. Okay. Start tayo. Next. What is this, James? What's that? Magic ball. Very good. Open your eyes. Yay! How to play the magic ball? Yes. You go. Okay. No. That one. Yan. Push mo going here at the hole. Yan. Very good. Now this one. Push this pink ball to the hole. Okay. But this is good. Guys, look at this. Okay. This is so cool. So cool. What is this? Flippy chain. Very good. Flippy chain goes place like this. Like that. So, it's good. Start na tayo. What is this? Hold it. Hold. Okay, hold it. Hold. Okay. Hold. Sige na, open your eyes. Yeah. What's this? Very good. Fidget ring. So, wire ring. How to play this ring? How? What is this? This is squishy silicone. Okay. Squishy silicone toy. So soft. See? Ooh. Wow! It's made of silicone. Duck.
Dog.
Chick.
Stick. Gobo.
Panda.
Ano.
Nakapanda.
Bada.
Open your eyes.
Bada.
James. What's this?
Titibo.
Marble mesh.
Mama me.
Marble mesh. So, can you open your eyes? Tama ba? Yeah. No, tama. Sige, how to play the marble mesh? Can you show it to us? Can you show us how to play the marble mesh?
Go.
Yeah, it goes like this. Okay. Oh, so soft. Mesh. Mesh. Marble mesh. Can I borrow this one? James, can I get this one now? Sure? Sure. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. This is mine now. Next. What is this? Long.
Cartoon.
What?
Cartoon.
Neck cartoon. Oh. This is. What is that? Open your eyes. Monkey.
Monkey Noni.
Monkey Noni. Monkey noodles. Very good. This is a monkey noodles. Open your eyes. Hop. Very good. Nahulaan mo siya. Galing.
Ow.
Monkey noodle. Stretchy. 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 Very good. What is that? Ball. Squishy. Ball. Very good. American ball. Squishy. American ball. Very good. Ha. You like it. Huh. Huh. Naku, na-throw na. Very good. Squishy marble. Squishy ball. Very good. What is this? Snapper. Tama ba ako? What is that? Very good. Oh, oh, very good. That is a snapper. Very good, James. You can do this, snapper. You can form anything like, giraffe. Giraffe. Heart. Oh, heart daw. Heart shape. Heart shape like that. Okay. Heart shape. You just, okay. Lock it here. And okay. Okay. Heart. And this one is, you can form anything you want. Like that. Oh, diba? This is a house. House. This is a house. A house. A house, guys. This is a house. See? A house. This is good. So good. What is your favorite here?
It's
This one?
yes.
This is your favorite? Okay, pop it. Okay, thank you for watching.
Then, bye-bye.
What? Thank you for watching.
Then,
Bye-bye. Tingin ka sa akin. Uy.
dito yatin. Bye-bye.